Hi guys, my name is Samira. New tutorial on how to make this fitted dress you can wear to an office. I'll be wearing this dress to an office, but I don't have any office that I'm working, but I know I want to wear this dress to an office. What am I even saying? Just leave me alone. It's good to dream big. Guys, subscribe, comment, and you can share this tutorial with your loved one. You can drop your sewing skills in the comment section. This is what you like watching. Let's dive in. This is all I have for this tie. And guys, don't forget to also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my channel. So I folded my fabric already in 4. So I'm going to just add my zipper allowance also, and first I'm going to draw a straight line. That's where we are going to place our tape when taking our measurements, going to guide us on how to go about our measurements. So my zipper side is by 1 inch. Okay, so I'll start by placing my tape on the straight line to mark my half length, which is by 15 inches. You can go more than that, it all depends on your body size. Mine is 15 inches for my half length, and I'm going to use my ruler to connect the line together. So after that, I'm going to go down now to mark my hip. My hip is by 24 inches. So I'm going to also connect it together, the line. Right now, I'll be measuring my shoulder. My shoulder is by 8 inches. So that's my shoulder line, and I'm going by 8 inches. I'm going to also connect the lines together for my shoulder line. At this point, I'm going to mark my neck, and I'm going by 3 inches, a small baby neck. Then I'm going to go down by 3 inches also for the depth of my neck. Then I'm going to give a curve. While my back neckline, I'm going to go by 1.5 inch, and I'm going to also curve it. Right now, I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. I'm going to also use my ruler to slope it down. At this point, I'm going to go by 8 inches for my chest line, and that's my chest line. On my chest line, that's where I'm going to get my bust, which is by 36 inches. Then I'm going to also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Then my armhole curve, I'm going to curve it by 2 inches. So I'll go to my half length area and mark my waist, which is by 28 inches. Then I'm going to mark 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Then I'll go to my hip. Let me move it a bit. So I'm going to mark 39 inches. Then I'm going to add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So I'll go down to my hemline though. I'm going to shape it a bit by 34 inches. So that's what I'm doing at the bottom of my dress. I'm so sorry, my camera is not picking that part. Okay. So after that, I'm going to connect my lines together. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please you can just subscribe now. You can share, you can comment. I want to hear from you. I want to hear about your best sewing skill that you have achieved so far. So you can drop it in the comment section. And if you have any question concerning this particular tutorial or any other area of your sewing career that you want me to talk about, you can drop it also in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So right now, I'll be measuring the full length of my dress, which is by 37 inches. So that's for the full length of my dress. It's an office outfit that you can wear. It's very simple to cut and sew if you only can watch this particular tutorial to the end. And don't forget to share this tutorial also so that all other people can also see it and watch from it and learn. So I'm cutting my neck now. So after cutting it, we are going to also cut the sleeves. Going to have a simple sleeve because an office wear, we don't want it to be too complicated. It's a simple wear that you can just wear out to your office. And you can share this tutorial also. You can also check my other videos that I have on my channel, and you can also comment. So let me shift my fabric a bit so that I can see what I'm doing, because I'm going down to my hemline area now. So guys, you can see that the step by step procedure that we use in cutting this dress is very simple for you to cut your own when making your own. And if you are finding it difficult to understand, please you can watch this tutorial again so that you'll be able to cut and sew this tie by yourself. That's the essence of us making this sewing tutorial, for you to understand how to make these ties that we are making today, or these ties that we are uploading on this channel. This is Samira Z Fashion YouTube channel. So right now we'll be cutting our simple sleeve. So I'll go ahead and fold my fabric, and I'm going to fold it in 4 parts. So that's the first folding, and this is the second folding. So it's 4 parts. So this is the second folding. So the folding is in 4 parts. So I'll just cut out the excess that I'm having so that we can start our measurements right now. So let me place it where, okay. I hope you are enjoying today's tutorial because I'm enjoying myself. So let me also trim out that part, the excess that I'm having there, okay. So I'll start by taking the measurement now. Through with my folding. So the length is by 9 inches. Then I'm going to also give a curve for my armhole by 1 inch. Then my round sleeve is by 14 inches. Yours can be more than that. Okay, so I've connected the lines together, so I'll just cut it out now. You can see that the sleeve is very simple to cut. So after cutting it, I'm going to attach it to the dress that I'm making today. So if there are any parts that you don't understand from today's tutorial, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to reply you guys. So right now I've joined my shoulder together, so I'll be joining the body parts together. I'll start by measuring my bust, which is by 36 inches. Don't forget, when joining your body parts together, you need to divide your measurements by 2. So I'm going to divide all my measurements by 2. So that's for my bust now. So I'm going to also mark that at the other side of my dress. So that's the line that I'm going to stitch and run my stitch on. So right now I'll be marking my waist is by 28 inches, so you divide it also by 2. So that's for the other part. So I'm going to also mark at this other side of my dress. So don't forget that I'm going to divide my measurements by 2. So I'm going to connect it from my waist to my bust area. I'm going to also do the same thing with my hip measurement. Don't forget my hip is by 39 inches. I'm going to also divide it by 2. So I'm going to also mark it at the other side of my dress. You can see that the measurement is corresponding. So I connected it also from my hip to my waist. So I'll go to my hemline. Don't forget my hemline is by 34 inches. I'm going to also divide it by 2. So I'm going to shape it also. Then I'm going to connect it from my hemline. So I'm taking it to my hip measurement. So I'm going to connect it. So the chalk line that you are seeing, that's how I'm going to stitch it together, and my dress will be ready now. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new from today's tutorial. If you did, you can drop it in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see all my sewing tutorials. So guys, you can comment your best sewing style that you like sewing. You can drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you all for always stopping by to watch my tutorial. You guys are amazing. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.